Hello people, welcome to another episode of Cilantro. Today we're gonna cook one of my favorite breakfasts, which can be also used as dinner. It's called the Shakshuka. It is an Arabic dish loaded with peppers, eggs, and it goes lovely with bread. What makes shakshuka great is that the simple ingredients that does the magic. So the whole theme of the recipe is red. I like my t-shirt. So here we go, the list of ingredients that gonna make this dish great. First we have like half an onion, which is like finely diced into very thin slices, and then we have 2 finely chopped tomatoes. If you have canned tomatoes, it's a great quality, you can go for that, but I normally don't prefer them. I prefer fresh tomatoes, which is just more healthier, I guess. So here we have half red pepper that is like finely chopped, and we have garlic that is minced. We have 2 eggs, and then we have some brown sugar and red chili flakes and some peppercorn. First step, we're gonna tamper the oil with our peppercorns, and the next step, we're gonna add some peppers. So once these pepper and onions are finely cooked, now you can add a little bit of garlic to this. And it is time to spice things up. So turmeric powder, a little bit of garam masala, coriander powder, that is optional, and a lot of paprika. Don't let the spices burn, so you can add the tomatoes now. Tomato puree, so this adds an extra kick and flavor to the tomatoes that we added. So this is after 10 minutes on medium-low flame. We're gonna add our chili flakes and brown sugar to this. We're gonna add some freshly cracked pepper, not so much, and a little bit of soy sauce, almost half a teaspoon would be perfect. This is too dry, so we're gonna add a little bit water to this and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes of adding water. The total time is like 20 minutes. So we're gonna add our cilantro that is finely minced to this mixture. Stir it up well. Now we're gonna create these wells, these depressions, where we're gonna add the eggs to this. So I already cracked the egg and kept it in a mini bowl, so it'll be easier for me to pour. Make sure you have enough space for everything. Oops. This is the state. You can touch the eggs and see, they are fully cooked. So guys, it's the moment of truth. Let's see how good our recipe is. I didn't get a runny yolk because of the cast iron cooked it a lot, but it's so good. See you guys in another episode. Bye bye.